Alright you guys, so the moped's all fixed. That's what it needed. Just replaced the fuel petcock. It was a different configuration, so this is supposed to come out forward like that, and it's actually in the way of the choke right there. You can see it. So I had to do a little modification. I didn't want to go through all the trouble of returning it, getting a different one. I just wanted to fix this, and that's what you do when you're in the mountains. You just make it work. So I think it looks kind of cool anyway. I chopped this. This used to go up to here. Got rid of this stupid engine cowl. It was just really 90s looking and kind of dumb with all the white. So that being said, I painted these black while I had them off on both sides. It's got some water spots right now from the rain, but really like it. That fixed it right away. The strainer in the old one actually broke off and came out with the old cruddy gas. Those of you that were giving some advice, really appreciate it. Managed to figure it out before I even had that video up, so pretty excited. I forgot to film. I just took the bike out and started riding, forgot to wrap that up, so in that time I picked up a milk crate. Pretty excited about it, doing grocery runs and all that. It's really come in handy, especially because we can use this in town, so we're gonna get some better rides in. Sorry about the breakdown on that one, and might do an overnight trip. I think it'd be really fun to go camping. I used to have a dual sport and go camping, and that was a good time, so miss doing that. Just have to do it with the moped instead. And yeah, that's about it. So thanks for watching, guys. Gonna wrap this up, and we'll get back to traveling and having fun, stop breaking stuff. So we'll see you on the next one.